untamed. Speak up, look where the guns aim. Loot up, pick up the chump change. Speed up and book in the bus lane. Used to sit and dream about whips and cream and bigger things. Found my place, fit my jeans. Get out my face before I clip your wings.
Caught up in the middle of some sentimental bullshit. Got an instrumental when I figure I can pull this. Day out, the dark cloud downtown. Stay out in the crowd with the sunshine. Our rhymes got a little bit more to give, so I give it and I stay on tour to live. Grab a mic, get it hyped, then I go home. In a big bus talking on a cell phone.
So lost, following the babble. On top, smack with a paddle. Knock out, drown in the shallow. Fall off, get back in the saddle. The answer's clear, you can't compare. You got one beer and one hand to steer. Stand right there under the chandelier. The band is here, we call fell. Chewed up and lost control. We swerving. She loved the awesome flow. She heard it. They try to stop the growth. They nervous. That's like impossible. F-E-L-T, fell. F-E-L-T, fell. F-E-L-T, fell.
Spell it out, yell it out. They all wanna know what the hell it's about. Ain't got no guns, ain't got no jewelry. Shows stay packed with tons of groupies. They go crazy, act unruly. Fans in the crowd, hella high like Cooley. Girls in the crowd screaming, choose me, do me. I played humble like excuse me, who me?
Grab that crown, pass it down. Ask around what that's about. We're back now. Hands on the ground, shut that mouth, don't act out. You bugging, must be drunk at the bar. Buzzing, cousin, you nothing hard. You ain't up in the stars. You stuck in a jar, now shuffle the cards again. Tell. Chewed up and lost control. We swerving. She loved the awesome flow. She heard it. They try to stop the growth. They nervous. That's like impossible. F-E-L-T, fell. F-E-L-T, fell. F-E-L-T, fell.
Feel that? Real rap. Raw beats to bang in y'all streets. So cool at the same time, all heat. So fly, should've been in Starfleet. Ride shotgun in my X-Wing. Watch the hipsters hop to the next thing. Fad to fad, so depressing. Around the years, that don't impress me.
Don't know what you honestly thinking. Rubber band trying to carry weight, but I can see your confidence shrinking. Color crayon on the radiator. Gotta stick to talking shit. Prosthetic tits, fake politics. You can't stop the bricks. So take a sip for the apocalypse and get off my dick.
Now I'm screwed up, I sipped a little lean. Got me feeling like Wayne doing little things. I do it big on the independent tip. New car, no rims on the whip. I got a chick, she ain't a super duper fly girl. I got a few when they all rock my world. You do it better than keep it to yourself, cause even you know it's all about the felt.
Chewed up and lost control. We swerving. She loved the awesome flow. She heard it. They try to stop the growth. They nervous. That's like impossible. F-E-L-T, fell. Chewed up and lost control. We swerving. She loved the awesome flow. She heard it. They try to stop the growth. They nervous. That's like impossible.
Yeah, dude.
Yes!
Yeah, dude!
Oh, man.
You're like flashing everything.
Oh, yes.
Woo!
That was like a sick one.
Nice job, man. That was fucking sick.
Yes. Oh, man.
That was awesome.
How was it? Was it fun?
It was really good.
Slow it down some, no split, clown bum. Your gold hit sound dumb, hold it now, crown them. Where you found them at, got them round town. Could've drowned in it, would've floated, bloated, voted, sugar coated, loaded, hip shooter. Draw for the poor, free coffee at the banks. Hip through the scrawl. None more for me, thanks. That blanks the roar, that dank sure stank lit. Sank past the pit for more hardcore prank spit. Crank it on blast, roll past Front Street. Blew the whole spot like some old ass with skunk meat. These kids is too fast, juiced off a junk tree. Who could get looser off a crunk or a funk beat?
Something started today. Where did he go? Why you wanted to be where you know November has come? It's gone away. Something started today. Where did he go? Why you wanted to be where you know November has come? It's gone away.
Bye. Can you dig it like a spigot? My guess is yes you can, like can I kick it wicked? Lick a shot if you happy and you know it as you clap your hands to the thick snot of a poet flowing. Rope a pen and I'm in. Cope hymen, dope a rhyming, more worth it than the whole diamond acquired off the black market. A wiretapping couldn't target a jar spit, the rapid fire spark lit. Zit. A rapper bug zapper, and it don't matter after if there's a thug or dapper. Plug your trap or it's maximum exposure. The beast got family members asking them for closure. Send them a gun and tell them clean it. Then go get the nun who said her son didn't mean it. She wore a filled-in thong or billabong and said, nah, for real, I'm a gorilla John.
Something started today. Where did he go? Why you wanted to be where you know November has come? When it's gone away. Something started today. Where did he go? Why you wanted to be where you know November has come? When it's gone away. When it's gone away.
Good? Nope.
Yeah, that was good. That looks.
Alright, seriously though, how do you hand jam? Like this? Oh.
No, go farther back.
Oh.
Go in the deep part, drop it down a little bit, and slide down the constriction.
Oh no. Oh no.
Come on, dude. It's not that bad.
Just do the way you
Oh,
did
come
before.
on, man.
I will not sacrifice parts of my body for this.
Nice.
You will not have me, slot machine. Not today.
Oh, man, you're such a bitch. Cool climb. What's it called? Definitely not slot machine.
It's called
Camera.
hand jams. Hurt my hands and they make me want to cry, so I don't want to do them.